Meaning of impertinence.
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 Impertinence. Impertinence is a noun that refers to behavior that is disrespectful, rude, or improper in a given context. This behavior can include speaking out of turn, being overly familiar with someone, or engaging in inappropriate conduct. The outcome of exhibiting impertinence can vary depending on the situation, but it often results in negative consequences such as strained relationships, loss of opportunities, and damage to one's reputation. It is important to understand the social norms of a given environment and to behave with respect and consideration for others, in order to avoid being seen as impertinent.